Hi everyone, this is Vishwanathan Dikshit from Tej Academy, Mysuru. If you are preparing for RIE CEE 2025, then this video is a must and should watch video. I guess you heard a rumor that this year RIE CEE 2025 won't happen. Yes, but no one is going to tell the truth. It will happen. It is only RIEs like RIE Mysore, RIE Bhubaneswar, RIE Shillong, and RIE Ajmer and RIE Bhopal are not admitting students via RIE CEE. It is admitting students via NCET exam. Now, as you all know, we are talking about RIEs in India. There are 5 regional institutes of education in India located in the places namely like Bhopal, Ajmer, Mysore, Shillong, and also Bhubaneswar. And these are the premier institute which provide teacher education program, and also it has a huge respect and also value outside the campus. And it offers the courses like BSc B.Ed, BA B.Ed, and also B.Ed, M.Ed, and integrated B.Ed M.Ed program. Now, let us see what are all the courses offered in which are all institutions, like which are all RIEs. Now, courses offered through RIE CEE. Like first we see RIE Mysore. RIE Mysore admits students for BSc B.Ed, BA B.Ed, MSc B.Ed, B.Ed, and also M.Ed. It won't admit students for integrated B.Ed M.Ed program. RIE Bhubaneswar. RIE Bhubaneswar also offers the courses like BSc B.Ed, BA B.Ed, B.Ed, and also M.Ed. It won't offer MSc B.Ed and also integrated B.Ed M.Ed program. RIE Bhopal and RIE Ajmer. It admits students via NCET only for ITEP courses like BSc B.Ed and also BA B.Ed. Remaining courses from this institute like M.Ed, B.Ed or B.Ed M.Ed integrated program are all admitted students via RIE CEE 2025. And also in Northeastern Regional Institute of Education, Shillong also, it also admits students via RIE CEE. Now, while telling I mentioned 2 times like NCET. NCET is a national common entrance test which is primarily used for ITEP programs like BSc B.Ed, BA B.Ed, BCom B.Ed. Only 2 RIs are participating like RIE Bhopal and Ajmer, admitting students via NCET. Along with it, nationwidely we have IITs, NITs, and also some other institutes who are providing ITEP programs are also admitting students via NCET exam. Other RIs like Mysore, Bhubaneswar, and also Shillong continue to admit students through RIE CEE. The main agenda of this video, like, will RIE CEE 2025 happen this year? Yes, certainly for sure RIE CEE happen this year, while NCET is only used for ITEP courses. Like RIE CEE will continue its legacy for further courses like B.Ed, M.Ed, integrated B.Ed M.Ed programs, and also MSc B.Ed program. Here is a catch. A unique thing which I am going to tell, I guess no one have mentioned this about earlier. It's like MSc B.Ed program at RIE Mysore. RIE Mysore offers a unique program which is 6 years duration MSc B.Ed program which is not available in any RIE. This is a combination of Masters in Science, Bachelor's in Education, and it's ideal for those who are preparing for higher secondary teachers, that too especially trained higher secondary teachers who are all like which is nationwidely wanted, like for +1, +2. And this is a main course for that. What are all the key takeaways? What are all the key takeaways? As I earlier mentioned, RIE CEE will happen this year for sure. RIEs like Mysore, Bhubaneswar, Shillong, and continue to admit students via RIE CEE for the courses like BSc B.Ed, BA B.Ed, B.Ed, M.Ed, integrated B.Ed M.Ed program. Only RIE Mysore offer MSc B.Ed program, that too for 6 years, and also they have an options like physics, chemistry, mathematics, so that they can be a PGT teacher for physics, PGT teacher for chemistry, PGT teacher for mathematics, which is nationwidely required, and also a quality trained teachers are required to the nation. So it is a good choice, and I prefer majority or many of them to apply for this program also. If any query, feel free to contact Tej Academy, the below phone number here, and if you want any doubt, scan this QR. Good luck with your preparations. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Thank you.